Welcome! If you're looking to get the most out of your Pinterest searches and want to see only boards in your results, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to filter your Pinterest search so you can view just boards and nothing else. Whether you're planning a project, searching for inspiration, or just want to organize your ideas, this quick guide will help you find exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the search icon. It's usually represented by a magnifying glass, making it easy to spot. Now, in the search bar at the top, enter the keyword or phrase you're interested in. This could be anything from home office ideas to vegan recipes. Type it in and hit search. Here's where the magic happens. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a filter icon that looks like 3 lines with dots. Tap on this filter icon to open up the search filter options. A menu will pop up with different ways to narrow down your results. Look for the option labeled Boards. Tap on Boards to select it. This tells Pinterest you only want to see boards related to your search term, filtering out individual pins, profiles, and other content. Once you've selected boards, confirm your choice. Pinterest will instantly refresh your search results, showing you only boards that match your keyword. Now you can scroll through curated collections, follow your favorites, or save entire boards for later. That's it! With these simple steps, you can easily filter your Pinterest search to view only boards, making your browsing experience more focused and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!